Okay, so this is the final phase of this project, or this part of the project. We have the layout lines here, and one of the things that you want to be mindful of is to, when you're setting it up like this and you got it in the chuck like this, is to get it up high enough, even if it's one or two of these parallels, but not run the cutter into the jaws here. You want to be careful not to do that. So we just got it up. I just turned this up like that, and I just aligned my line that I laid out over there on the table, and tighten it up and just laid it out right there. And then I'll just move this out of the way. And we want to be mindful of climb milling versus conventional milling. So I'm going to start over here on the back. I'm going to move this down. And we're just going to cut that until we get to the line. When you're taking a big cut, be careful you don't go too far or too fast. I can see the thing's moving a little bit, so I don't have it tight enough. So it moved a little bit. I'm going to readjust. Right to the line. That's moving again. So that's pretty much it. It moved around just a little bit. I had to readjust, but so you want to make sure it's tight and not take too big of a cut. But really, that's about all there is to it. So that ends the C-clamp right here.